You also mentioned you have a native warehouse management system. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely, we do, and it's a huge benefit that's not as common in the industry, especially being native within the solution. It's built by actually a person who started out working in a warehouse. I know that you've met Al, but he's effectively the inventor. So you don't need to integrate the application, and it's built, of course, with those warehouse employees and managers in mind. It allows users to see, on a single screen, what the warehouse employee needs to do, whether it's pick, pack, ship, put away, etc. And the app can automatically deal with discrepancies according to predefined rules. We allow for the personalization of each process. So warehouse workers' activities, such a number of daily tasks they're able to complete in a day, what order they do their tasks, as well as optimizing storage space, can all be executed through the warehouse management. Obviously, we want to ensure accuracy as well. So, for example, we work with a beer distributor. You can imagine they have different bottles, different kegs, different beers, different locations. So with the WMS, one of the things that it can help with is, right, if the warehouse employee picks a 750 milliliter bottle for an order, and it's supposed to be 1.5 liter, it's not going to allow them to pick that and put it into the packing. As far as optimization, we have another customer that's an automotive distributor that went from 95% warehouse capacity to 60% warehouse capacity, and we're able to add more lines of business without increasing the warehouse space necessary by purchasing or leasing additional space. So it's a really cool tool, very powerful, and fully native to the ERP.